Let's have a look at question 4 in this video. So we have a distribution of 22 observations and we want to find out the interquartile range. Now before going any further, let's just write here what is interquartile range. That's the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. Before finding out the first and the third quartile, we also must find out the median. And we know that the median is going to be the middle observation. But now we have 22 observations here, 22 observations, which is an even number. So because it is an even number, the median is going to be the average of two middle observations. So it's going to be the average of two middle observations. So what's going to be those two middle observations? We will have 10 observations to the left. We're going to have two middle observations that we're talking about, and then we're going to have 10 observations to the right. So it's going to be a symmetric distribution around these two observations. Now let's count this over this distribution and we'll find out. So here it was given in a random way. Here I ordered from the lowest to highest because that's how we find out the median. We want to know how the distribution is going from the smallest to the highest value. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations. We take the middle two observations over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, we have 10 observations to the right. So our criteria, our distribution is going well so far. Now we need the average of these two middle observations, as we said. That's going to be our median. So 40 plus 42 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 41, meaning that the median is equal to 41. So we found out one thing. Now we must find out the first quartile and the third quartile. Now let's have a look what's going to happen with the first and the third quartile. If we count the observations until the median, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 observations until the median, which is an odd number, meaning that the middle observation, the median of this half of the distribution is going to be in the middle, because the middle of this half of the distribution is going to be our first quartile. So we count the middle, which is going to be the sixth observation. We're looking for the sixth observation now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 33 is going to be our first quartile. Now, if we have a look over here, it's going to be the same logic because it's a symmetric distribution. So again, we have 11 observations to the right of the median, meaning that the middle observation from here is going to be the sixth observation again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be our sixth observation, meaning that is the middle of this half of the distribution, meaning that it is our third quartile. And now with this in mind, we can actually calculate our interquartile range, which is the difference between, so IQR is going to be the difference between 47 and 33, which is equal to 14. And that's it. We are done.